Sanctuaries. Unit 2, 3rd Standard, Social Science, Term 2. A small girl named Anu is at home with her grandfather. Anu is reading a book and her grandfather is reading a newspaper.
Sanctuary. Sanctuary. What does this word mean?
Sanctuary is a place where animals and birds are protected from hunting and other human activities.
Are there any other places like sanctuaries that protect animals and birds?
Yes, Anu. National parks are places where wild animals are protected. In biosphere reserves, animal, birds and plants are protected.
Interesting.
I will tell you about some of the most popular sanctuaries and reserves in India.
Sure, I would love to know about them.
Corbett National Park is the oldest park. It is in Uttarakhand.
Which animals are protected there?
The majestic Bengal tigers are protected there.
Is there any other sanctuary that protects Bengal tigers?
Yes, there is Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal.
Grandpa, you know I love elephants. Is there any sanctuary that protects elephants?
Yes, the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve not only has elephants but also has Indian leopard, black panther and Nilgiri tahr.
Grandpa, you said biosphere reserves also protect plants. What kind of plants can be found here?
There are different species of flowering plants. One among them is Kurunchi flower, which blossoms only once in 12 years.
It must be so beautiful. What about birds?
If you want to see different types of birds, then we must visit Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary.
Where is it?
It is 25 kilometers from Chengalapattu.
I am sure there are some really unique and colorful birds there.
Yes, Anu, birds that migrate from different parts of the world can be found here. You can find pelicans, night herons and many more birds.
Can we find peacocks there?
No, Anu. Peacocks can be found in their natural habitat at Viralimalai in Trichy.
I would love to visit this place.
Sure. Do I tell you about the one-horned rhinoceros?
Are there one-horned rhinoceros?
Yes, Anu. Very rare species of rhinoceros are protected in Kaziranga National Park.
Where is it?
It is in Assam.
Grandpa, you did not tell me about lions.
Oh, yes. Gir National Park in Gujarat has Asiatic lions.
Very interesting.
Animals, birds and different types of plants are important part of our environment.
Yes, Grandpa, we must never harm them. It is our duty to protect them.
Name some of the animals or birds found in the following places. In Viralimalai Sanctuary, you have peacocks. In Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, we have elephants, Indian leopard, black panther, Nilgiri tar. In Kaziranga National Park, one-horned rhinoceros. In Corbett National Park, we have Bengal tigers. Here are some book back exercises. Choose the correct answer. Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand. The national park in West Bengal is Sundarabans National Park. Bird sanctuary is at Vedantangal. There are 3 biosphere reserves in Tamil Nadu. Gir National Park is in Assam. Match the following: tiger, West Bengal; lion, Gujarat; elephant, Nilgiris; birds, Vedantangal; one-horned rhinoceros, Assam. Answer the following question. What is sanctuary? Sanctuary is a place where animal and birds are protected from hunting and other human activities. What are the animals protected in the Corbett National Park? Bengal tiger. Name the animals in Nilgiris biosphere. Elephants, Indian leopard, black panther and Nilgiri tar. Where are one-horned rhinoceros protected? Kaziranga National Park. How should we treat animals? We must never harm them. It is our duty to protect them.